Hello, and welcome to the new Medicaid enrollment dashboard. This demonstration will help you with navigation. There are changes to the logic of the report. Please make sure to review the frequently asked questions document on this webpage for details. Let's begin. This dashboard has 5 pages. The first is a summary of the overall Medicaid enrollment. Page 2 focuses on the managed care organizations. Page 3 focuses on race and ethnicity. Page 4 focuses on the Native American population, and page 5 provides background information on the dashboard content. At the top of each page are 3 buttons: Home, Map, and Filter. Each page will default to Home, but you can click on Map to see a visual display of the Medicaid population by New Mexico County. Here, you can further your analysis by clicking Share of Population to see what counties have a higher proportion of Medicaid coverage. Click the Filter button to limit the data based on demographics, geography, dates, managed care organization, or categories of eligibility. To demonstrate the filter, I will limit the data based on female children under the age of 18. To do this, click the down arrow next to gender and select female. You may have to click on the up arrow in order to close the gender window. Now click the down arrow next to age group. Since I will be making multiple selections, I will hold down the Control key as I select under 5 years and 5 to 17 years. Now click Close. You will notice that Harding County in the top right-hand corner has 2 females under the age of 18 currently covered by Medicaid. If I click the Home button, my gender and age filter is still applied. When a filter is selected, it is applicable only to the page you are on. If I navigate to page 2, you will see no filter is applied and the data represents the entire Medicaid population. I can reset my selections by returning to the filter icon and clicking Clear. Now click Close, and you will see all the results again. Don't worry about any selection you make. You will not break the dashboard and no one will see the selections you have made. If you get lost and unable to return to the original report, refresh your browser page and the report will return to its original settings. Virtually, the entire dashboard is interactive, which means I can also filter the information by clicking on the visualizations themselves. I can click on females aged 35 to 64, and the data will change to represent this population. If I place my mouse over the visualizations, I can right-click, which provides the opportunity to see the data in table format. On the top right-hand corner, there's a filter icon that looks like a funnel. Hover over it, and you will see the filter that is applied to the data, in this case, females ages 35 to 64. Click back to Report in order to return. If I click again on females ages 35 to 64, the data returns to its original setting. This is just a brief overview. Feel free to explore and interact with the dashboard to uncover meaningful insights. Thank you.